How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select the project you want to save that you have edited. Simply click on it where you will find editing options. In here, you'll find arrow which is facing upwards. Click on arrow which is located at top right corner of your screen. After you click on that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on quality. From here, you can select resolution, frame rate, and code rate. After you're done, click on done. Press on save to device located at bottom. And then you're good to go. This will directly save your video from CapCut to gallery. And this is how to save video from CapCut to gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.